In this video, I'm going to be reviewing how you can earn a significant amount of money by promoting other people's products and services. I don't mean that you're going to be selling 1,000 products for a $10 commission. We're going to be talking about high ticket affiliate marketing. So that means that you are going to be earning $500 commission, $1,000 commission, even more. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn a significant amount of money, $500 per commission, $1,000 per commission with affiliate marketing. That means that you don't have to create the product. You don't have to deliver the service. You don't have to be taking payments, dealing with customer service, refunds, and other stuff. This is definitely a business model that you're interested, you can start today. So let me show you everything because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. First of all, what do we need? We will need to have a product that we are going to be promoting, but not every product. I mean, a high ticket product. There are several websites and we call them marketplaces in which you can find a product to promote. One of them is ClickBank. You can go to clickbank.com and you can join this one for free by clicking here where it says affiliates. And then you're going to click here where it says affiliate start here. Okay. Sometimes they do have a survey. Don't worry, just fill it out. Okay, it's pretty normal. There are times that they don't have it. Okay, so that's a way in which you can find a service or a product to promote. Here we also have JVSU. This is another marketplace. We have this one, which is called Impact. You can join to impact.com. You can also go to CJ, which is Commission Junction. And these are really reliable, the ones that I'm showing you. They have been around for a really long time. Okay, and they have been paying customers, well, in this case, affiliates on time. Okay, and they do have, really great products to promote. The one that I'm going to show you right now, it's ClickBank. Okay, here on ClickBank, once you create your account, okay, you are going to go here where it says all. And here you're going to see all the categories that you can go and you can find a product to promote. Okay, you can see that they have, for example, a business, cooking, education, health and fitness, self-help, travel, and others. Okay, you're going to go with the category that you like the most. The top three niches online or categories are health, wealth, and relationships. You can find them here. For example, here in relationships, you can be here on parenting and families, or it can be even a relationship with yourself. So you can find here self-help. Once you choose one, you're going to go to the category and you're going to make sure that you're going to be sorting the results by average conversion or average money sign conversion from high to low. That means that people are earning the most amount of money with these products. For example, we have this one in which people are earning over $800. We have this other in which people are earning over $400. Okay. So for example, this one is really good because it says that converts on cold biz opportunity traffic. Cold means that these are people who don't have any kind of relationship with you. They are brand new to you and you're going to be earning 50% conversion. The product that they're promoting is $997 upfront, and after that is $247. You're going to be getting, and this is actually per month, you're going to be getting 30% on this upsell. Okay. This is why people are earning this amount of commission. Okay. So this is actually really, really great because you can get a high ticket commission upfront, but also monthly recurring commissions. Okay. So if you want to promote it, you're going to go and you're going to click here where it says promote. Okay. This is where you're going to go. You're going to click here where it says promote. You're going to choose your nickname. You're going to click here where it says continue. And this is gonna be your link. Okay, you are gonna copy it, and this is gonna be actually your link. Okay, so with that says, what are going to be promoting it, okay, is this page. Okay, if you click it, you're going to see that we are inviting people to 100% free online workshop that is helping beginners, okay, to know which are the three-step blueprints and which they can generate over $10,000 every single month. Okay, people can get the free training. And one cool thing is that they're capturing people's name and email. So that means that they're going to be doing follow-up for us. So they're going to be helping us make money with the people that we send. Okay. But we cannot be sharing the link that I show you as it is. Okay. We need to do something that we call that we need to mask them. Okay. Because you're going to see that the link, it's kind of long and ugly. Okay. So for that, we're going to be using a tool that it's called Bitly. Okay. You can go to bitly.com. And if you scroll down, you're going to find this. It says shorter a long link. You're going to paste the link here. Okay. Get your free link. That's it. Okay. If you did not decide not to sign up, okay, you can do this here. If you want, you can go and you can get a free account. Okay. Here in the free account, you can short your 10 short links per month. There are other services out there that do the same as Bitly, but this is the one that I have been using in the past. So this is the one that I'm sharing with you. So once you create your account, you can go here on the left side. Here, you can click here where it says create new. Okay, so we're going to click here where it says create new link. So here we're going to paste our ClickBank link. We can put a title. This is going to be just for us. Okay. And we can custom the back half. Okay, because if we don't do it, it's going to be just random numbers and letters. This is not mandatory, but it's actually going to be good looking. You can put something like free webinar, helping beginners, something like that. And then you're going to click here where it says create. Okay. So now what we're going to be doing with this link, where we're going to be using Facebook. But right now, if you guys are enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Again, remember that I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay? So now, what we're going to be doing with Facebook, chances are that you already have an account. So you're going to go to facebook.com. In this case, this is an affiliate marketing product. So I'm going to be looking for affiliate marketing groups. Okay. If you have a group, you can do that and you can promote them. Okay. You're going to see that we have this group, for example, affiliate marketing for beginners, 25,000 members. We have affiliate marketing for beginners here, over 100,000 members. Okay. We have another one here for 200,000 members and so on. So these are actual groups that people are, you know, looking to learn about affiliate marketing. So you can create a post, and this is gonna depend on the actual group. And by the way, guys, this is already works with other dishes as well, so this is not mandatory. Okay, and you are gonna invite them to the free event. What you want is you're gonna be creating a post that says something like, "Hey, I have a free invitation, okay, or I can invite you to my free event. It's 100% free online workshop in which you're going to learn the three-step blueprint in which people are earning, you know, how to earn over $10,000 every single month. Okay. If you want to know and get the invitation, and actually you can create that wording by using ChatGPT, just ask them. Okay. Comment the word maybe webinar or workshop, okay? And I'm going to be sending you the invite. Why do we want them to comment? Because we want to be creating engagement, okay? That's what we want. We want to be creating engagement and we want people, you know, to interact with our thing. Okay, so on private, you're going to be sending them the link, and also you're going to reply to their comment, and you're going to let them know that you already replied. Okay, so again, guys, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to learn more about in-depth and actually how you can earn even more, because with this strategy, what we're doing, it's something that we call direct marketing. So in this case, we're using Facebook, and we're sending people directly to the affiliate link, in which, yeah, you're going to have some opportunity to earn money. But if you want to learn how to do the right thing, and I mean by right, like you're going to be earning money just not from one product, but from different products and services. Okay. Check the very first link in the description. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.